This is a washdown rated, automatic, high-speed, pre-price labeling system for meat packages. This system contains a pre-ident scanner, 3 top labelers and 2 bottom labelers, along with a verification scanner and a divert. The divert removes packages that are out of weight tolerance or packages that have unreadable barcodes. This system will transform how you do pre-price labeling. A package is conveyed onto the pacing conveyor, which will bunch up the product. Next, the in-feed conveyor will pull an equal gap between the packages by speeding each one up. This ensures that only one package is on the conveyor scale during the weighment process. A pre-ident scanner then scans a barcode already present on the underside of the package to determine the package contents. This feature allows for chaotic product runs and will ensure that the correct label information is applied each time. The conveyor scale weighs the package and sends the weight information to the Scale Data System, or SDS, controller. The package proceeds to the labeling conveyor, where a top weight price label with date and lot information is applied. A backup printer applicator was included to ensure this high-capacity labeling line stays operational. If a package is out of the predetermined weight bounds, a label is not applied and it will be removed via the first divert. This system also includes an additional top label applicator for branding labels. A barcode scanner will ensure readable barcodes. If a barcode is not readable, such as the label is not present, the package will be removed from the line for rework. This customer is running 2 different products on the same line. For each package, they want 2 different labels applied to the top and 1 label on the bottom. The bottom label is the same for all packages, therefore both bottom labelers are loaded with identical labels. One bottom labeler is continually running and will automatically switch to the waiting labeler when the first one runs out of labels. Each package also receives a branding label that is applied to every package. This system utilizes 3 top printer applicators and 2 bottom printer applicators that label packages at industry-leading speeds and capacities. Therefore, there are many different labeling options the customer can implement in the future. For example, if they have a high-capacity line, they can utilize 1 top and 1 bottom label on the packages with a backup printer applicator for each top and bottom label. The system will automatically switch to the backup labeler once the label stock on the first printer applicator is out. This allows plant personnel time to change out label rolls while the system continues operating. When the backup printer applicator runs out of labels, the system will automatically switch back to the first set of printer applicators. Here are just a few of the features of this heavy gauge washdown weight price labeler. A 3/16 inch thick, solid stainless steel frame construction is an industry innovation that includes multiple durability benefits such as washdown compatibility. A rigid frame body reduces scale vibration and maintains an aesthetic appearance that stays pristine for years. The build approach of this unit demonstrates its ability to handle hostile production floor environments. The system is controlled by this ergonomic 17-inch touchscreen Scale Data System, or SDS, controller. This controller executes all functions of the weight price labeling system and records data in an Ethernet-accessible SQL database. The touchscreen can be rotated or tilted during product setup or product runs to accommodate varying worker height. The touchscreen can also be rotated such that a worker can operate the system on the opposite side of the conveyor line. The pacing conveyor has its own dedicated variable frequency drive, or VFD, which permits the user to set the pace for the entire labeling line. A conveyor scale with photo eyes sends the leading and trailing edge of the package for proper weighment. An included transparent draft shield allows product visibility while keeping error-inducing drafts off the scale. Each of the 3 top printers is contained inside a NEMA 4X enclosure with a view window so that operators can see the label stock status. The printers can be raised or lowered depending on the package height and also rotated to ensure proper label placement. The printers can accommodate 6-inch wide labels. A partially pre-printed label receives price, date, and barcode information, which is applied to the top of the package. The bottom section of the weight price labeler also contains a printer applicator. This printer applicator can apply up to 4.6-inch wide labels. The label is advanced onto the label application conveyor and merged onto the bottom of the package. This printer applicator is contained inside a large NEMA 4X enclosure, which has doors on both sides to permit easy access to printer components. Our weight price labelers incorporate a pneumatic lift to lower the printer when label changeout is needed. The printer can also slide out for easy label stock replacement. This lever will give an operator the space needed to quickly change out label rolls. Once a new label roll is on, simply flip the lever and the printer will automatically index the labels to the correct starting point. Once all of the doors and covers are in place and securely latched, the entire unit can be hit with heavy washdown. Unique to this customer, this system includes dry contact wiring for divert activation, allowing the customer to know when product is removed from the line. The design approach of this unit ensures that you can label at high speeds, stay operational in harsh washdown environments, and repairs are affordable when needed. Contact us today to learn more about how we can reduce the hassles of weight price labeling. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell to receive notifications of our latest videos. Check out our newly updated website and follow us on Facebook or Twitter. Links are in the description. If you have questions or comments, mention them below.